On this episode of Mysterious Mysteries, we look into the mystery of birds. Are they real? Hello, my name is Sam Ryder, and on this episode of Mysterious Mysteries, we look into the mystery of birds. You know, humans and birds have coexisted for a very long time. However, we don't know what they are, or what do they even do. Are they drones sent by the government to spy on its people, or are they some sort of ancient alien threat that threatens humanity? That's what we're going to try to find out on this episode of Mysterious Mysteries.
Paloma ahí suspendida en el aire, weón. Por lo de antena,
The name is Dr. Fantastic, man. They call me that because I'm such a fantastic scientist and all that. I have a theoretical degree in theoretical physics. What about birds? Well, I can tell you this. Birds are not real. They're not real, man. You ever look up and you see them birds perching on power lines? Why do they perch on power lines, man? And so they can charge up the batteries. They're trying to charge up the batteries, man. I actually do study birds for a living, and I would say that a lot of the accusations or a lot of the questions surrounding do birds exist is ridiculous. Birds have existed with humanity for quite a long time. One time I was walking down the park. I was in the park one night. You know, I was just hearing voices in my head. Hearing voices. It's like some energy wave just absorbing my mind, and I went to investigate, and all of a sudden this giant cobra chicken came out of nowhere and attacked me and it chased me all around the lake. I'm like, holy shit. You know, at first people were like, man, I thought it was a hallucination. No, that cobra chicken was real, man. It was freaking real and it wanted to kill me. I just think it's quite silly that people doubt that birds exist. This is the equivalent of anti-vaxxers or flat earthers. You know, this is ridiculous.
You may think these chickens seem innocent, that they just produce eggs for our breakfast consumption. However, you ever think that maybe they aren't so innocent, and that the eggs that they produce are slowly brainwashing us?
Hi, my name is Jimmy John. I'm a farmer. I used to raise chickens. I got some chickens. I raised chickens for their eggs. You know, I wanted to raise some chickens so I have some eggs for breakfast and maybe sell it to my family and local neighbors. I noticed something strange about them chickens, though. Like, you know, every night I would see lights coming from their chicken coop. You know, I'm like, that's very strange. And sometimes I swear that they're talking. You know, I hear them voices every time I'm just, you know, by the chicken coop. Eventually, I heard their plans. Like, apparently they wanted to escape the coop. You know, they're trying to build like a UFO or some sort of crazy flying saucer. You know, to sort of escape and cause some harm. So you know, I did what any other reasonable farmer do, and I slaughtered them all. So yeah, I slaughtered all my chickens and you know, ate their meat. No, like that's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Like, what do you want me to say? That the government killed all the birds in 1980 and then replaced them with drones just so they can surveil its people? That's ridiculous. That's silly. That's not science.
And just like that, like all mysteries, this one still remains unsolved. But I'm pretty sure that we will figure out that birds are not real. I think the evidence is there. And it's only a matter of time before whatever agency that's trying to hide a secret, whether it's the government, the Illuminati, they're going to try to get me. And my life is in danger. Wait. Oh shit! Oh shit! They're coming! They're coming! Ah! Ah! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Ah! 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 Ah!
Well, that was an interesting tale. I hope you enjoyed that mystery. On the next episode of Mysterious Mysteries, we look into why is the Loch Ness Monster stalking this person, and why does he want 350?